What's up everyone, welcome to the club. It's Pokemon Tuesday and it's also our 269th Pokemon lesson on this channel. I've been drawing these guys since this channel first started 6 years ago and I haven't stopped yet. So today we're going to be drawing the next evolution of Scorbunny, which is Raboot, who also evolves into Cinderace, both of which we've already drawn. Raboot is a rabbit-like Pokemon with a collar that covers the mouth, kind of like a turtleneck sweater. This is going to be a fun tutorial, so grab a pen and piece of paper and let's begin. Now the first thing we want to do is start in the center of a page with the eyes. Now we leave a gap in the center. We're going to go to the left side and draw a straight angled line. Going up and then out. Now I'm going to line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then we'll connect the outside to the inside of the eyelid with a half oval. Let's start on the left side. We go around towards the bottom, round this out, and then go up on the inside. And we'll trace that half oval along the inside. Start on the left, we're going to step in, just work our way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. We're also going to add a small half circle in the center of the eye at the very top. And then we'll move in between the eyes in the center and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. And then from the ends, we're going to curve down and in toward the center point. Come down and in, and back out and up on the right. Now I'm going to move down and draw a straight line going across from left to right, just underneath the eyes. Let's start on the left side. Start with that straight line, going all the way across. And then from the ends, we're going to curve down and then in. We want to leave a gap in the center. Start back on the left, come down, and then bend that in. Now let's round out the side of the head. From this point, we're going to step in, start by curving out, going up, and then pulling that in towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping in, curve out, rounding out the side of the head, and then pulling that in. And then we'll add a headband going across the top of the head. From the top corner of the eye, we're going to step out towards the side of the head, curve up in the middle, and then bend that down on the right. Now we're going to step up and draw that same curve. We'll leave a little overlap on the top and the side of the head. And we'll go back to the center of the nose and draw a straight line coming down. And now we're going to draw two large ears coming down the side of the head. From this point, we're going to step up, start with a point. From here, we're going to curve the ear going out, down along the side. Now I'm just going to pull that in towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. We go out, round out the ear, come down, and then in. Let's round out the bottom of the ear. Starting back on the left, come down, and then up. And then from here we'll draw the inside of the ear going straight up, and then we'll bend that in towards the bottom corner of the headband. Go straight up, and then we'll bend that in. Now there's three large points of fur along the top of the head. Let's start with the center one. So in the middle, we're going to step over towards the left, start by curving out, round this out, and then just pull that over towards the right side. And then work our way back down. From here we're going to curve in, and then down. We'll round this out, and then pull that in towards the same height. Let's go over towards the left side on top of the ear. We curve this going out, and then bending that in. Come down, and then tuck that in towards the side. Let's move over towards the right side on top of the right ear. Curve up, and then out, and we'll pull that in behind on the right side, going up and then down. Now I'm going to move down and draw those points along the side of the neck. From the inside on the left, we're going to step out, go out, and then bend that down. Same thing on the right. Now from here, we're going to curve down and then up. Leave a little space just underneath the head. And then we'll layer another point in behind. Let's start on the left side at the very top, go out and up, go in and then down in behind the head. Now we're going to pose this character with the hands inside the pocket. So let's start with the side of the body first. So starting on the left side, I'm going to step down, curve the body going out, and then down. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then from the top of the body, we're going to curve down and in toward the center point. Let's start with the left. Curve down, and then in, go out, and then up. Let's draw on the outside edge of the pocket. From the bottom of the body, we're going to step in, curve out, and then bend that back in. Do the same thing on the right. I'm going to do one larger curve. Go out, and then pull that in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to move back up underneath these points and draw the outside of the arm. Let's start with the left side. We curve out, round up the arm, and then pull that in towards the side. And then we'll go back up to the top of the pocket and draw a curve, going up and out to the top of the arm. Along the bottom, we're going to step in towards the center and draw a short curve. Starting on the left, we'll go up and then down. Now leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, we'll curve down and then pull that up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. Starting on the outside, curve around, go up. I'm just going to pull that down, aiming towards the heel. I want to leave a little space on the inside. Do the same thing on the right, going up toward the top, and then bending that down. And then we'll move back up and draw the outside of the leg. From the bottom of the pocket, we'll step out, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's separate the foot with a seam. Starting at the very top, curve in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And then on the outside of the foot, we want to separate the toe. Start at the bottom, curve up, and hook that in. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Raboot from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.